Previously on the Ultimate Condo Makeover. Welcome to the first episode of the Ultimate Condo Makeover Series. Hi everyone! Because we only have $100 for this makeover, we need to be practical and leave the rest to creativity. It's now time for our favorite part, the reveal. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing me, my name is Laurenz, and here I transform spaces without breaking the bank. And all the pretty things that you see on Instagram and Pinterest, we're bringing them to your spaces. Ano na? Shut na! This is the second episode of the Ultimate Condo Makeover. In this series, I'm going to transform every space in the condo unit I live in. The entryway, the living room, dining room, and the hallway, and maybe the balcony and kitchen too. Don't forget to subscribe and join me on this series. If you have not watched the episode 1, don't worry because it's gonna play after this video. I hope you enjoy the entryway makeover. You've seen me do bedroom makeovers on this channel. I'm so excited for this episode because we're doing this space where we entertain our guests. I'm talking about the living room. The entire vibe of this unit is Scandinavian. When we moved in, the living room had this L-shaped sofa, the gallery wall, TV, and the attached shelf. It was already beautiful. I loved how simple and minimalist the design was. 3 years have passed and I guess it's now time to have a living room revamp. This video was filmed in October, so I will be having Christmas decors too. If you want to see how the Christmas tree was made, you can watch it here. This is the plan. To add warmth to the space, I'm putting a very simple rug. The shelf needs some styling. I think plants would be a great addition to the space. The sofa is craving for fresh throw pillows. I do not want to overdo the details. I still want the vibe to be simple and uncluttered. Now that we have the plan, let's go shopping. I think we're ready. Let's begin drinking. Styling pala.
Ginagawa mo!
One more. I think we're ready. Let's begin styling. can't wait to show you the new living room, the place where friends and family gather. Let's imagine how the living room looked like before. Sometimes it's those little things that matter, and small details that make the difference. Next up, the dining room. I'd love to see you there. So please click that button so that YouTube can notify you when I upload the next video. Hanggang sa susunod na video, ako po si Laurenz. Always remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. Go and update your spaces and wake up to that dream room, because we only live once. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe. To the new subscribers, thank you so much.
Ginagawa mo!
We're doing the place where... I'm so excited for this episode because we're doing the place where we entered it.